Hey guys, this video is going to be about changing a fuel filter on a Duramax Diesel. To start off, this is how the manual says to change the fuel filter, but in the video I do things differently. One, it was to make it easier on me, and two, it made the recording of the video way better. You may have to pause the clip in order to fully read the description in the manuals, both at the beginning of the video and at the end of the video. Alright, let's get on now to how I replaced my fuel filter on my 2012 Chevy 3500HD dually.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these stars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.